This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Maisha, you can actually share your screen so we can start the journey.
Yeah, of course, I'm sharing my screen.
Introduce yourself, give a couple of the sentence about yourself so that the people will know you.
First of all, thank you for your words to us. And hello, everyone. I am Maisha, a private coach in software quality assurance bootcamp. And now I'm working here for couple of months, not for very long time, but this is a really pleasant journey for me that our mentor, our principal is guiding us very very he is giving a very much time to us so that we can give you maximum knowledge that he have put in his content, and we tried our best to make you feel comfortable in our bootcamp. So thank you for joining in this bootcamp, in this crash course. And now I'm sharing my screen with you all. Let me share. Okay. So
You can go to the full screen, then I can talk.
yeah.
All right. So we are actually going to again. We do the. I used to believe the TikTok videos. I still do. Okay. So hundreds of videos will be recorded through the session because our memory is TikTok. Okay. TikTok means if something is longer, we just run away. Why? I rather work in the Dunkin' Donuts. I don't want to watch this video. I get that. I understand this. And I agree. Why the TikTok is the world-class the platform? Because things has to be short and sweet. Even the big things has to be smaller. And that's the way we believe in. So we'll be making a lot of videos, and that's and those videos will be shared as mentioned.